Our usual year is of 365 days. And every 4 years, there is a lucky special kid that comes into play with 366 days, which is known as the leap year. But do you know why this time 365 is chosen and not something else like 356? Well, let me tell you more about it. Well, humans are the ultimate resource, so eventually they figured it out. When they saw that the shadow of any object is the shortest during the summer solstice and the longest during the winter solstice, they named it as so. And when they saw that it reappeared after a certain amount of time, it always amounted to 365. And the Egyptians, well, they used a star named Sirius. Sirius is approximately not seen for 70 days of the year, and the first time that it is seen is called the elliptical rising. And when the Egyptians calculated the appearance and reappearance of Sirius, they saw that it always roughly amounted to 365. Over the centuries, as technology developed, scientists and normal people also realized that a flat 365 actually falls short because it didn't line up with the absolute season, and one day every 4 years was coming out. This was already recognized by other scientists known as Hipparchus in 2nd century BCE, and he wrote in his findings that 1 year is more likely equal to 365.25. If they observed 40 years of solstices, they saw that a total amount of 14,610 was amounting. When we divide 14,610 by 40, we get an exact 360.525. And today, in today's day of technology, we use satellites and observers to know that 1 year is actually 365.24129 days. The Gregorian calendar always tries its hardest so that every year equals to the same amount, 365.42129. And we can see this through its efforts, such as we take the roughly 0.25 and add it together every 4 years to make one full day, which we call the leap year, and we add it to the back of February. 28th becomes the 29th. 29th of February is known as the leap day. Every 100 years, the leap year is cancelled out, and every 400 years, it is skipped and added back, so that it roughly amounts to the same number. But this number is ever changing because our atomic satellites can see that our Earth is actually slowing down by 1.7 milliseconds per year. And this is a problem because even the axis of the Earth is slowing down, meaning that the spring equinox arrives earlier, so it shortens the tropical part of the year by just this much. But in anything related to days and time of the Earth, this is a big thing. And because of these unpredictable shifts, we add leap seconds to our day to keep in sync with the Earth's rotation. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button because I make videos like this daily, and who knows, maybe I'll see you in my next one.